Now I have a small challenge for you. Tonight, before going to bed, speak for 2 minutes about your day. Don't read, don't memorize, just speak. Maybe you make mistakes. Maybe you stop once or twice. That's okay. The goal is to express yourself. If you do this every day, you will notice something amazing. Your ideas will come more quickly. Your confidence will grow. Speaking English will become more natural. Always remember this sentence. Don't try to sound perfect. Try to sound real. And that is how real communication happens. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I believe in you. Keep learning, keep speaking. See you soon in the next video.